Well, today we are going to discuss tuple. A tuple is a standard data type of Python that can store a sequence of values belonging to any type. So tuple is another standard data type of Python that can store a sequence of values of dissimilar type in parentheses. And tuples are immutable, means you cannot change the value at their own place. So this is the definition of tuple. Then creating tuple. So you can create the tuples in various ways. First, t is equal to value 1, value 2, value 3 in parentheses. So by putting the value in parentheses you can create the tuple. Second, by second way you can create the empty tuple, t is equal to tuple parentheses. Third, t is equal to 3 comma, by this way you can create a single element tuple. Fourth way is to create the tuple from sequence, t is equal to tuple sequence. So in this way you can create tuple from sequence, means from any object, that is string, tuple, list, etc. So here we are creating the tuple from string, t is equal to tuple hello, and print t will give the output in the form of tuple. Fourth, t is equal to tuple input, enter the element. By this way we can create the tuple from single digit. Here t is equal to tuple input, enter tuple element. So here we are reading single digit and give the output in the form of tuple. Fourth way, eval input. This is the most commonly used method to input tuple. So this is the main method. So here the syntax, tuple is equal to eval input, enter tuple to be added. So this is the syntax for reading a tuple. Here we are reading a tuple of different values, and with the help of print statement we can able to print the tuple. So fifth one is most important method to input the tuple. Next, now similarities and difference between tuple and list. So first, similarities: length, indexing and slicing, membership operator, concatenation and application operator, plus and into, accessing individual element. So these are the similarities between tuple and list, and we have all discussed these topics in the case of list, so we are not going to discuss here. Then difference between tuple and list: tuple are not mutable while list are mutable. You cannot change individual element of a tuple in place, but list allow you to do so. So list you can change, but tuple cannot be changed. Tuple operation: traversing a tuple, joining tuples, repeating or replicating tuples, slicing the tuples, comparing tuples. So these are the tuple operation, and we have discussed all these operation in the case of list, so no need to discuss here. Now next slide. Unpacking tuple means it's a reverse process of creating a tuple. Definition: creating a tuple from a set of values is called packing, and its reverse, that is creating individual element from a tuple element, is called unpacking. Syntax: variable 1 comma variable 2 comma variable 3 is equal to t. So here the number of variable in the left hand side of assignment must match the number of element in the tuple. For example, t is equal to 1 comma 2 comma a comma b. Here the length of tuple is 4. So to unpack this tuple we have to write wx by z is equal to t. Here the 4 variable before the assignment, and the number of elements in the tuple are 4. So w store 1, x store 2, y store a, and z store b. If you print wx by z, it will give the output 1 to eb. So this is the process of unpacking the tuple. Now deleting tuple. All of you know individual element of a tuple cannot be deleted. So with the help of del statement you can delete the whole tuple. Individual element deleting is not possible. Definition: the del statement of Python is to delete elements and objects, but as you know that tuples are immutable, which also means that individual element of a tuple cannot be deleted. but you can delete a complete tuple with the help of syntax given below. Del tuple name t is equal to 5, 7, 3, 9 del t means you cannot delete a individual element, but you can delete the whole tuple with the help of syntax. Next slide. Now tuple function. First alien function. This function counts the number of elements in the tuple. Syntax alien tuple in bracket. For example, emp is equal to John, 10,000, 24, sales. Print alien emp will give the output 4. So there are 4 elements in the tuple, so it will give the output 4. So this is the alien function. Second, the max function. This method returns the element from the tuple having maximum value. Syntax max tuple. For example, t is equal to 2, 5, 3, 7, 1, 4. Print max t will return the maximum value, that is 7. And in the case of string, print max Atul, Raj, Manish, it will return Raj because Raj is greater. Now min function. Min function will work as same as max function. It will return the minimum value. Then index, it returns the index of an existing element of a tuple. T is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. T dot index 5 will return 2. So the index of 5 is here 2. The index of 3 is 0, 4, 1, and the index of 5 is 2. Next. Now the fifth one is count function. The count method returns the count of a member element in a given sequence, that is list and tuple. So it will count the element in a given sequence. For example, t1 is equal to tuple, here number of elements are here, t1 dot count 2, so it will count 2 in the tuple and return the number of 2's. So the value is 3. Next, tuple. This method is used to create tuples from different types of values. T is equal to tuple in square bracket 1, 2, 3. Then print t will give the output in tuple form. So it is creating tuple from the list. T is equal to tuple abc in string form. Then print t will give the output abc in tuple form. So in first example, it is creating a tuple from a list, and in second example, creating a tuple from string. So this is the tuple function, and this is the completion of topic tuple. Thank you.